I want to share something that I think is so powerful that all hospitals should be implementing to be read after a patient passes away from a code blue. Code blues are cardiac arrests or respiratory arrest, and that's where a patient has literally passed away. And it can be a very traumatic thing for everyone involved in the code, including families, the healthcare team, and of course the patient. I actually learned about this a couple years ago, and it's called the moment of silence. And we started implementing this at my hospital, and then we kind of got off the train of it. And I think we need to get back on, and I think all of you guys should get on board too. So I'm going to read you the moment of silence. I got this from the US Acute Care Solutions. I'm reading it from my laptop, but I'm going to put it on the screen as well because I think it is so powerful. This is read after someone has pronounced, and usually like the leader of the code should say something resembling the following. I would like to ask everyone here to stay for a moment of silence. Let us reflect on how we tried to save, insert patient's name. Let us reflect on why we are proud of what we do and of the team here. We were present during, patient's name, last moment on earth. Patient was important to someone else as a child, spouse, father, or friend. Patient was likely loved by others. Patient helped many and experienced challenges and frustrations. Our time on earth is finite. Patient was a human being, and we hope he/she will rest in peace. I think this is a great way to, one, give tribute to the patient that just went through something very, very traumatic, and two, to give tribute to the staff members that did everything they possibly could to save that person's life. The biggest emotions I see after code blues from healthcare staff are that they feel like they didn't do enough, that they're a failure, like this was their fault, when in reality, none of that is true. At the end of the day, we're all doing our best. I think this is a great way to express gratitude to everyone that was there and involved, and it almost gives you like that sense of peace, and I don't want to say closure, but just like that sense of like, you know what, I'm proud of everything that we've done and everyone here. And I just think it's so powerful. So save this video if you are needing to know exactly what was said, and let me know if you do something like this at your hospital. I think it is so important and a great part of the debriefing process. And so just let me know if you do this.